Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Capricorn. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay yung weekly reading para sa March 9 to 15. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano kaganapan sa inyo ngayong Marso. Alamin natin kung ano yung energy, nasasagap. And habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. Sana patuloy kayo mag-suporta by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin by subscribing, by liking this video, and by engaging sa comment section. Okay? Para pag nag-grow kasi yung channel ko, syempre, mas marami pa akong magagawang reading sa inyo, mas may improve yung setup, and may mga pakulo pa akong ma-provide sa susunod na araw. Okay? So, gagawin natin ay bubunot ako ng 7 cards from this deck and interpret natin siya. So, 7 card. For 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, the Queen of Wands. Oh, Ace of Cups. Oh, Three of Swords. King of Wands. Three of Cups. Ten of Pentacles. Okay, and Seven of Pentacles. Behind, there's a Page of Pentacles. So, ganun beginning. Sige. Wala namang super strong energy ng ng specific sign. So, any sign, pwede yun yung sign ng person ninyo. Okay? Sige. So, let's interpret. So, Queen of Wands, okay. Lumabas si King and Queen of Wands. So, it's like a perfect match naman. I mean, you're destined naman to be together or to have this relationship kahit may mga some hiccups lang ako nakikita. So, first, Queen of Wands, this energy, this connection, yung relationship ninyo is, yeah, it's deep. There's a really strong bond, may very strong connection, deep connection between the two of you. Punong-puno siya ng um, care, ng passion, ng, alam mo yun, yung assurance din na in love kayo sa isa't isa. Alam mo yun, yung na pinapa-feel nyo talaga yung care, yung love, yung affection, yung effort through whatever love language that you possess. And then, shown here by the Ace of Cups, mahal nyo talaga yung isa't isa. Ace of Cups is a card of love, of happiness, of abundance. However, bakit kaya lumabas yung Three of Swords? Kasi Three of Swords is a card of, ano yun, heartbreak. Pero I can sense here naman na hindi siya really na maghihiwalay kayo. Pero there will be something na magkakos ng pain. And what I can see here is yung alam ba yung sense of when it comes to sa relationship dynamics ba na parang may isa sa inyo na parang mas nagdadala ng relasyon. Okay, fine, mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Pero parang may isa na mas nagdala ng relasyon, may isa na mas nag-e-effort, may isa na mas, um, ano yun, yung parang yung isa parang ang nangyayari is taking for granted ba? Parang yun yung nakukuha kong energy dito. Pero i-clarify natin. However, kasi in Three of Cups naman is um, happy naman kayo. I mean, fine. May isa na mas nag-effort, nagdadonation. Pero um, yung connection mismo, yung love na binibigay ninyo is happy naman kayo na together kayo, na in a relationship kayo, na mahal nyo isa't isa. Pero, syempre, merong expectations pa. And I can see here sa Ten of Pentacles naman na both of you want it to become a long-term relationship. Yung mas maging stable siya, yung in the end kayo sa huli, di ba? Settling down. Ten of Pentacles is building a family, di ba? So yung ganong energy doesn't have to na right away naman. Pero having a long-term relationship, yun naman din yung gusto nyo mangyari. Pero yun nga lang, dapat balance siya. Dapat parehong accountable. Dapat parang nagbibigay ng effort. Dapat well reciprocated yung relationship. And as shown here by the Seven of Pentacles is, yeah, na medyo may slow lang yung growth. Parang kung ito, kung kayo yung nandito na kayo sa level na to when it comes to relationship, how mature you are, kaya mas nadadala nyo na yung relationship, mas na nakakapag-effort kayo. Parang isa, growing naman. Parang tinatry naman yung low level. Okay? Pero it's taking time. So just be patient. Pero towards dun naman din yung goal ng tao. Kasi gusto nyo din naman yan na kayo yung makasama in the long term, di ba? Okay, pero tingnan natin. Sige nga, alamin natin yung detalye pa. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong i-remind that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo, kaya huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na rin yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun, mag-resonate na or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na pinost ko. And kaya very important na una, naka-subscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga pinopost kong videos. Pangalawa, it's really better na mag-book kayo ng personal reading. Kasi yung personal reading is talagang energy na tinatap natin. Saka, murang-mura lang naman ang aking personal reading. So, message nyo na lang sa email to find out more about it. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Three of Coins. Nine of Cups. Knight of Swords. Seven of Coins. Ace of Coins. And Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck, Five of Wands. Okay. Yeah, it really affects yung happiness sa relationship. Okay? Yung parang isa lang yung nagdadala. Pero, yeah, Three of Coins. Dito, kailangan talaga ng collaboration for the relationship to really grow. Para mag-mature siya into something really na long-term na may balance, harmonious, di ba? And as shown here by the Nine of Cups, na, ayun, you'll magiging kontento lang din kayo talaga kapag naging balance yung roles. Hindi lang isa yung nagdadala, hindi lang isa yung nag-effort, hindi lang isa yung i-express, di ba? Yung equal portions ba? Because sa relationship, kailangan naman pareho yung contribution, pareho yung capacity, di ba? That's the ideal and that's the best way forward. And nakita dito sa Knight of Swords, then yeah, may mga kailangan kayong panindigan when it comes to this relation. And kung nandun na kayo, panindigan nyo na, di ba? Panindigan nyo na gawin nyo yung tama, yung kung roles can be reversed naman kasi. So, kung sino man yung nagbibigay ng much effort, dapat yung isa, panindigan din niya at talagang pantayan niya. Panindigan niya yung mga sinabi niya rin sa simula. Nung nagsisimula pa lang kayo na, okay, gagawin niya to, gagawin niya yan, sasabihin niya to, sasabihin niya yan. Gets. And ito, nag-resonate lang ulit, Seven of Coins and Seven of Pentacles. It's the same energy and it's really ayun, may slow growth naman talaga. And I mean, may growth, pero slow nga lang. Kasi, and itong tao naman na to, nakikita ko naman na talagang mag-invest siya, mag-effort siya to really do his or her best para mapantayan kayo when it comes to um, sa pagdadala ng relationship. And as shown here by the Two of Wands, di ba? Na it's a desire. It's also what your person desire. So, may mga decisions din siyang kailangan gawin sa end niya para mas ma-meet kayo ng tama, 'di ba? Okay? So, ayun, mahal niyo naman yung isa't isa and long-term goal talaga yung plan niyo. Pero, be patient lang. Nag-effort naman yung tao na mapantayan ka. Okay? So, tingnan natin. What's the advice of the universe? See, let's see. Luck. Okay? So, yeah, I think really, if you'll be patient, the luck, good luck is coming to this relationship. And diba, when it comes to luck, din naman, in any form, any aspect, hindi lang sa relationship, pero sa life, sa mga ibang aspeto ng buhay, career, diba? But luck is, hindi rin siya parang, pinipilit. Inaantay din siya and you wait patiently for the luck to come. Kasi, yun nga, wala ka namang control, di ba, sa luck. So, kailangan mo siyang antayin patiently. And when you wait patiently, the universe will see na, okay, itong tao na to deserve niya. Ibigay niya. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. And, yun. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mr. Moreno. O in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.